From Elf.
Sabihin mo ano pa.
Paper.
Si Ate Elf.
Okay, I'll keep this ha. Ikikip ni Mami yung ganito. So, I'll keep this for you.
Paper.
I thought we were gonna like you do that, then girly do whoever. Or
Yeah, so we'll wait for her.
Yeah.
Oh. She'll give it to
All right, got it.
Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay, it's like the white elephant. The wait.
Like the secret Diana. Like you open yours and then you say who you got, and then
Yeah. So we'll... I should give...
Ano more? That's it?
Ate J. Yeah, Annie, but it's your wish. It's still in the plane. It's on its way. I only put it on your teeth. You're late. I just figured out how to do it. Thank you. I'll just give it to you.
She got the 2-day shipping.
I put it on a rush. It's supposed to be on the same day, but she didn't make it. Because mine was delayed. I know, yeah. Right online. Okay.
Picture you.
Thank you, collection.
yes, camera ready.
Christmas 2013.
Ito.
Our Christmas party.
Did you pick? I picked the lady.
This is you. I knew you would do
Yay! Where's yours?
Oh yeah, where's mine?
Then, Ate J, did you give...
Russell.
Yeah.
That's yours.
We got food.
What's that? Popcorn and low card.
Thank you.
Picture with Ate J.
Picture dito sa Christmas tree.
Sa Monica.
Picture na siya.
Ay, sila.
Okay, 1, 2.
Okay. Who's next?